This item is the Star Industries skid steer skeleton bucket. It's used to lift large rocks and debris while leaving the dirt behind. It's manufactured with the universal heavy-duty quick-tach, which allows us to fit most current skid steer models. It's also designed with 3/8 inch thick bottom ribs. Those ribs are separated by 2 1/2 inches of open space, which allows smaller particles to filter out. It's commonly used by construction companies, land clearing job sites, and landscapers in the prep area. Star Industries manufactures the skeleton bucket in 3 model sizes: 66 inch, 72 inch, and 84 inches, and it comes with the industry-leading 5-year warranty.